Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is Mohd Azim Bin Alwi from 2JA. In this video, I would like to share with you how to cook butter chicken. Let's get started. The ingredients for the butter chicken, we need 2 pieces of chicken breast, half butter, chilies, cheese, garlic, curry leaves, some cornstarch and rice flour, and whipping cream, and I added oregano and also nutmeg. Step 1. Cut whole chicken breast into small pieces. Why? Because it will be easier to eat. Step 2. Put the chicken pieces into the whipping cream and set it aside. Afterwards, put it in the flour to fry it. I prefer to use hand because it's easy to flatten the flour. Oh, remember, wash your hands every time you cook. Step 3. Put cooking oil into the pan. Then, move the chicken pieces into the pan. After frying the chicken, wash the pan and add half of butter. Step 4. When the butter has melted, put some garlic, curry leaves, and also chilies. Then mix them well. In about 2 minutes, put half of evaporated milk can. Then put 2 pinches of black pepper. To all cheese lovers, you can put a slice of cheese to make it more tastier and creamy. Last but not least, you can put the fried chicken and mix them until it becomes condensed. OMG, it's work! Then you can serve it for yourself or for your family and enjoy!